I'm Marco from Italy. I'm 24 years old and today we are at Luigi restaurant and we are in the garden where we produce food for the restaurant. I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how to make a garden anywhere easily from scratch. First of all, we have the soil. Everything starts from here. If we farm in an open area like this, it is important to understand the soil that we are working with. It is good to work the soil only in the first 20 centimeters without flipping it, without turning it too much. It is good, of course, to add compost, to add manure for the fertilization of the soil. As a practice, we try to do it here as much as possible, a cover with organic matter, like in this case, with straw, to keep the soil fresh during the summer and to protect it during the winter, which is also very good for weeds and for decomposition. So the material decomposes and create a topsoil which is very soft and fertile. Another important tips is irrigation. We try to irrigate during the night here so that we have less evapotranspiration, which means that the condition in summer is very hot and we give water to the plants and some of this water is already evaporating into the atmosphere. So we do it into the night when the temperature is not too hot and the plant can easily absorb it. So if you have a balcony, if you have a garden, you can irrigate it in early morning time or in the evening. The third one is observation. Always observe your plants and see how they grow, if they are happy, if the leaves are green and they grow strong, or if they get any pest and disease. Last but not least is saving seeds. It's very important and it's very useful for preserving the biodiversity, being independent, which means that we don't necessarily have to buy it every year. In this case we have Cosmea. We planted in July and now we are harvesting the seeds to preserve it and planted it next year.